Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a unboxing of some goodies that I got from the Washi Gang, which is a shop we have an online shop we have here in Australia. It's based in the Gold Coast, Queensland, and I wanted to share what I got in here with you. So if that's something you want to see, keep watching. So I've opened this up only so I don't have to do that on camera. It actually comes in one of these Hero compostable zero waste bags, which is wonderful. So all of your boxes will come in that. Whatever you order will come in one of those. And I got a few things with this order. So what I'm going to do is move that one out of the way. That's a big one. That one might be last. So these guys wrap everything absolutely beautifully. Everything comes just so beautifully packaged. I'll open it up and I'll show you. It's just absolutely wonderful. So the yellow bit of paper, I'm just going to move it over there. Always comes with this great, gorgeous stationery tissue paper, which I keep because I like to use it in my other things. So I'm just going to open it up. And there you have it. So you always get a sticker. You get the sticker for, I'm not quite sure how much value you have to spend to get the sticker, and also a free washi, but I will pop them down below in the comments so you can see, or in the description, sorry, you can see what you get actually in the box. So because I spend a certain amount of money, I get a free washi, and each month the washi's change. So this one looks like it's like a woodlands with mushrooms and all of that in there. And it's their Washi Gang washi. They make washi as well. And you get a card. This one says, "Dream big, work hard," by All the Stationery. And then you just get their little bit on the back to say enjoy and all of their contact details and everything. So what I got was I got a couple of sticker books that I got an Ollie clip. I absolutely love these Ollie clips. I've already got 3. I needed another one, so I got one more. That makes 4. I got a couple of books that I didn't already have. A couple of sticker books I didn't have. I have the Beauty in Florals and Seasons of Colour. So I'll pop them over there. I also got a couple of planners. So I grabbed one of the new 12-month undated budget planners because I am going to start planning my budget. I do fairly roughly, but I thought I would start using one of these and I would bring you along for the ride. These are plastic discs at the moment, so I'm going to pop in some gold metal ones that I have just to match it all up because it's the gold and that. Now, I bought this one. I do actually have a budget book, but I bought this one because it is really neutral. So I'll give you a quick look through. This is your divider. Then you have your month, as you can see, just neutral, nothing there at all. Beautiful. And then you have your monthly overview, which gives you the month of your income, your expenses, and then all of your set expenses you have every month, like housing, food, utilities, personal, transportation, entertainment, medical, and other. And then you have a savings tracker and a accounts there. And then you go on to your weekly expenses and you have 6 of these pages, okay? And that's where you write down what you would spend each week. And you write the date, the expense or description, the amount, whether it's a need or a want. And then down below you can put whether they give you gold stuff or gold star for that week and anything you may improve. So you get 6 of those pages. And then you get a take note page and a check it off and important and some dot grid. And then like our currently page where you can pop your financial goals and important dates and any unexpected spends and stuff. And then each month the, what's it called? The dividers are different. So some have little sayings on there. Give it a quick flip through. And some are just plain, but they all are the black and gold and white theme, which is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, I do have a budget planner already that I was going to use, but I looked at it and it's just one of the old ones, so I'll show you in a minute. It actually has a heap of colour in there and a few things that are already written in that I don't necessarily need or want. So here it is here. It's called Know Your Worth. And I'll flip to this page. So as you can see, this is very, very colourful dividers and everything. So your month is not so bad, but you've got the colours down here, and then your weeks, your monthly is, and you've got they've already put in here your mortgage or your rent, your groceries, electricity or electric, gas, TV entertainment and phone. Whereas in this one, you don't have anything, it's just blank, which is good because gas to us in Australia means gas that you would use on your barbie or you would use in your house. We call the gas is petrol to you guys, I think. So, yeah, we have a different gas over here. And the same with this. You've got groceries, eating out, shopping trip, gas and entertainment, where on this one, completely neutral, nothing written in there. So, yeah. So I'm just in the works of just working out what I actually want to pop in this planner, how much I actually want to show you, because of course it will be my budget and my figures and everything like that, which some of that can be a little bit personal, but I'm going to work out what I want to show you and what I don't. But I do want to bring you on this journey with me to start budgeting, which will be excellent. So that's that one. The next one I bought was another planner, and this is the Homebody, and it's a 12-month undated. So, and this is a monthly layout. I just love the monthly layouts. I'm tempted to see how this may go as a what are they called? A social media planner. So instead of having my dashboard, pop over to the monthly. I just love some of these dividers. They're absolutely gorgeous. Oh, yeah, look at that one. That's just yum. Okay, I've had a monthly before, but I had a monthly that was a seasonal monthly, I think, and it was very black heavy. Like things were quite, especially on this page. It was all black here, and I really didn't like it that much. This is more neutral. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's got the habit trackers there already because I was using habit trackers each week. Yeah, I can pop top priorities in here. I can do everything like that. And then you get pages where you can do daily tasks. So you can have like 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week in the month. And then you've got your notes. And then you've got like your currently page. So I'm thinking about switching over to use this one as a social media planner. I haven't quite come to grips with whether I want to or not. The dashboard is sort of working, so I might see how I go with that. I do have a dashboard already for to start in July. So I've got one of the new ones in the new in the spring release. So I'll just see how I feel, but I think a change may be needed, and then I might have to repurpose my dashboard into something, but I'm not quite sure what I would do with that neither. So yeah, we'll just wait and see. Watch this space. And the last thing I purchased was, and this was the last one on the Washigang's site. So, and I've been wanting one for such a long time. I travel between a couple of offices or a couple of campuses and home. So I work from home some days and I work on campus other days. And I like to take my planner and, sorry, this is really noisy, planner and everything with me. And I was just chucking it all, or trying to put it all in my, chuck those on the ground, I think. Trying to put it all in my backpack, which just wasn't working. you know, by the time you get your laptop in there, by the time you get your lunch in there and everything else, there wasn't enough room for any other stuff. So, yeah, I really, really wanted a bag. And this was the last one, so I jumped on it. This is a We Are Memory Keepers bag. Just cut that off. Okay, so I really love this bag. Yeah, just absolutely love the colour of the taupe and the sort of peach. You get a pocket in the front where you can pop things in. It comes with a shoulder strap as well, which is fantastic. You don't have to always have it as a carry bag. It comes with a another pocket in the back there, but that actually, you can pop that onto your luggage if you're going somewhere. You know, the handle of your luggage, you can pop in there. Then it can zip up and you can use it as just a storage. So I think that's great, multifunctional. And then if we open it up, you can see inside. Okay, so it's got the bottom that will stand out. Sorry, probably can't see that, but that's the actual bottom of the bag, but it lies flat. And it's got another pocket on the inside here, so you can pop all your things in there, but you can fit a couple of planners in there easily. And what I'll do is I'll zip it up halfway. Sorry, it's a bit hard trying to show you that. And pop the bottom down in it. I'll take those out for now. Sorry, I'm just popping the bottom down in the bag so that it actually makes it like a bag as such, because it was flat, so it can be packed flat, but you can fit, like I can fit 3 planners in there easily, very easily, and you could pop a couple of sticker books in there, your pencil case, everything else can go in there, and then you've got a strap that you can use with. I mean, they are quite good, good hardware on it as well, good clasps. Yeah, lovely. So yeah, so I bought that. That will be my travel to work bag. So, well, I hope you liked everything that I showed you today. I'm not going to show you the sticker books, because I think that there's been so many flip throughs with these sticker books. These are a couple of old ones. I haven't had them as yet, and I saw them and I thought, oh yeah, I'll grab those. I like getting a little bit back more into florals, so I thought I'd grab a couple of those. So yeah, so if you like this video, and I hope that you did, can you please give it a thumbs up? If you haven't subscribed, can you subscribe please, and help me grow my channel? That would be muchly appreciated. I will put the link down for the Washi Gang down below. They are fantastic girls there. Customer service is great. I order before 9 o'clock one day, get express post, and I will have it by 11 o'clock the next day. I mean, I must admit, I only live like a few hours away from them, but I've heard that even around Australia and stuff, their postage is phenomenal. The way that they actually get their orders out is fantastic. So I'll leave all the links in the description below. Go and check them out. I'm sure they'll be able to help you there with anything. They have a whole range of stuff. Yeah, so, and I will see you next time. See you later.